Hello, everybody. It's me, Riggy. And today, it's actually our first reaction to something that's not not like a video or something. This time, it's a short film. And what short film will we starting at? You might ask. Well, since it's in the public domain and no and there's no copyrights to to this short, I decided, what the heck? Let's react to this because I actually never seen this before. So, the short film is called Mickey Mouse Steamboat Willie on Disney Plus. So, I heard about this, and pe- people say even half of the gang say that this is a cult classic and kind of one of the ones that started the animation medium as a whole. So how how can I not start with this one? Anyways, let's get to it. All right, here we go. Mickey Mouse Sound Cartoon. Steamboat Willie. Ah, nice old black and white cartoons. Oh, there's Mickey. Oh, isn't that the sound where when a Disney film starts? Oh, I didn't know that's what it was. Oh no, there's Pete. Oh, huh? It seems like like the characters are not talking. Like which I honestly found quite strange because when I was watching other old black and white movies before this one, on there's no talking, which is strange. Oh, poor Mickey. Oh, jeez. Good old Pete. Oh, what is that? A piece of chocolate? Oh. Oh. Oh, the cow looks a little cute. What the heck? What the heck was that? What was that? Oh, I guess they're picking up the cow. Oh, what they're using it for? Oh, wow, that cow is skinny. Ah, smart. Oh, there's Minnie. What was that? Man, the characters make some funny sounds. Ooh. Oh no, they left Minnie behind. What is that sound? Oh, oh no, not by there. Ah. Oh no, he's gonna eat it. Ah. Oh dear. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Now the thing, the guitar is playing in him. Oh. Oh, what's the plan here? Oh my god. Oh, okay. I think they're starting a little bit of a tune. Oh dear! Oh no, the cat! Oh! Oh dear! The poor duck. Do 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 do. What the? Okay. Ugh. What in the world? What is going on? Oh my god. Okay. Whoa, okay, wow, okay. Yeesh. All right, Captain Bear wasn't wrong about so the parts in these kinds of shorts were weird. Oh, oh no, he's gonna break his teeth. Even though some of it's kind of weird, but still, it's kind of funny. Badu. Now that was a great tune. Uh oh dear. Oh, oh, now he has to cut up potatoes. Oh, honestly, our Mickey has that temper too, so they're kind of like the end. All right, so that was Steamboat Willie. How did you guys like that? I, I, are you guys a fan of the o- olden days? Or are you just okay with the more modern ones? I'm, I mean, I kind of prefer the modern shows and movies over the old ones because you know, they're way more colorful. They have solid voice acting and yada yada yada. But that doesn't mean I hate these kinds of films. I actually really like that one. It was quite funny, even though it was quite weird at points. But still, it was really good. So what other short film and show do you want us to react to? We're thinking to do the entirety of season 2 of Hamster and Gretel. But if there's gonna be a season 3, then we might skip season 2 and go on to three if that. But yeah, we're thinking to do that. But whatever show do you want us to react? And maybe it doesn't even have to be Disney. It could be a Miraculous Ladybug, um, The Fairy Odd Parents, SpongeBob, anything you guys want. But don't worry, this won't place old reacting to videos, as we're still gonna do that. Anyways, this has been me, Riggy Bot, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!